Turning to the 2018-2019 selection of the total 606,394 candidates who sat the 2017 KCSE, 69,000 of them, in fact 69,151 of them, scored a mean grade of C+, the minimum required to join university. A total of 62,851 have successfully been placed to degree courses of their choice. Of these, 36,945, that's 58.78%, are male, and 25,906, that's 41.22%, are female. The increase in the number of female students making it to university is an indication that sustained government efforts towards gender parity in education are actually bearing fruit. In this year's selection, 553 students who qualified for degree courses opted for diploma courses and were placed in their program of choice. Further, 5,747, 8.3% of the students out of the 69,151 candidates who scored C+ and above have not secured placement. Of these, 2,128 did not apply at all.